UAS maintenance and repair is probably one of the biggest factors impacting the industry now. A lot of us are at the point with many of our systems where if we haven't done proper maintenance and repair, we may be experiencing issues at this point. It may be daunting at times because some of the systems literally feel like they were designed to be thrown away after a certain number of years, but your budget may not accommodate that. Or your fleet could be large and you could have multiple systems that if you were able to consolidate and combine, you could get a much greater useful life out of them. So this is some of the things we'll talk about. We can't cover everything. It's a big, broad topic area, but we're going to spend a full day on April 25th, part in the morning, after lunch, a second session in the afternoon, going through from the very beginning and initial concepts of tackling UAS maintenance and repair through actually having tools, starting to fix them live in the afternoon session. So this is our goal for you. I can absolutely assure you that in a single day, you cannot become an expert, but what you can become is someone much more comfortable fixing your autonomous systems, someone much more comfortable understanding the future of the industry, how drones are constructed, and much more comfortable understanding your role in it and what you're capable of. I can guarantee you this, you may not be able to fix every drone, every system when this is over, but you will know your capabilities and you'll have a great understanding of what your ultimate capacity is after attending our session.